tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8 with meteorologist Matt Kirk.
Well, even in Michigan, every year you have these stretches of heat, and we're different, and this is going to be one of those weeks that very well could be the hottest week of the summer, even though we're still in early stages of summer. But usually the magnitude of it that really defines how hot we are, and we have several days that are going to actual temperatures are we have forecast range between 90 and 95 degrees. The dew points, this really makes the difference when you have that tropical soupy air mass, and heat index temperatures because of that will likely be up around 100 to 105 degrees. This is one of the reasons why we've turned that wind. Now it's going to be consistently out of the south. Right now it's still south and east, which is giving the lakeshore areas actually warmer temperatures than inland. Right now we're at 84 degrees, about the warmest temperature I remember at noon so far this season. 88 Chicago, 86 in Dubuque, but this is part of the story that all that humidity now coming up with that south wind, just surging to the north. Right now, mid 70 dew points. Chicago at 77 dew point. That's stifling. They currently have at noon a heat index of 100 degrees. We're at 91 in Grand Rapids and South Bend at 97. And look at this, nearly 100 million people impacted by this current heat wave, which extends in the eastern half of the United States, all the way down from northern Florida, right up into the UP, or at least the western UP of Michigan. And we currently have a high extreme heat warning. Now, we missed out on a pretty good complex of storms this morning. They're kind of fizzling away. Straits area northward, that's where it's going to be. We thought maybe we could see a couple of those early this morning in our northern counties. That's not the case. They develop further north. What we are getting is some debris clouds from that massive complex of storms. You can see some high-level clouds kind of skirting into our northern counties. And we also have some surface-based low-level Q clouds kind of forming there along the lakeshore as well. So we'll go partly cloudy, mostly sunny this afternoon. Current heat index about mid-afternoon will be right around 98 degrees to 100 degrees. Area-wide, just some heat we haven't felt since really last year, and we've gone well over 10 months without feeling this type of heat. Nonetheless, we're going to see, even at 11 o'clock, feel like readings still well into the 80s at that point. So if you have any evening plans, it's still going to remain muggy and very warm. So here we go with the heat and warning out there. Again, this is not just a short-term deal. This takes us all the way through Thursday. How to beat it, head to the beach. That's what I say. Here's a live view in Grand Haven. I love to see that beach packed, especially amidst this heat. Now, bear in mind, I'd say Grand Haven northward, you got to be a little bit careful, especially on the south side of the piers with that south wind developing. We'll likely have some choppy waves out there. 5 feet would be the max, and I think that'd be Ludington, Pentwater area. Nonetheless, further south you go, the waves would be much, much lighter. And those water temperatures, cold. I was actually in the water yesterday at Pier Marquette, and it was cold, but they will be going up rapidly. Warm front moves to the north, and you can see how the sunshine building in with the futurecast. And note that severe weather threat is well off to our west today, and it gets a little closer to us in northern Michigan, but here in southwest Michigan, it looks like we're going to avoid it for now. But the chance of showers and thunderstorms does increase as we head later in the 8-day forecast. And look at that heat taking us right through the 4th of July.